In your Splash Time Play Club bag, you will find coloured ping pong balls with letters on and a scoop. Drop the ping pong balls in and scoop them out. Fish out a ball. Can your child say any of the sounds that the letters make?
What's the sound? And what can you think of that start the word
Umbrella.
umbrella? Lovely. Girl name that begins with
That's easy. Fella.
fella.
But if it
Awesome.
has a B, it would be Bella.
Any boy name
Okay.
with the letter
Fenjo.
Can you think of an animal name that begins with the letter sound G?
Goat.
G, 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 G.
Goat.
You could try and catch one coloured and one white ball. Can you make a word by putting these two balls together?
So what word is that, Chaz?
Go.
Go.
I fished out the I and the n. If I put the two balls together, I can make the word I, n, in. Now I'm going to try 3 balls, 1 coloured and 2 white balls. Let's see if I can make a word.
Get. Get.
Hold it up. Hold it up.
Get.
Get.
No, you
Okay,
put
we
it
can
in.
put it here.
Where's the other ones?
Okay, let's have it here. Put it in here. Thank you.
Okay. But,
There's one more ball. Let's have a look what it is on there.
bath.
You could do the activities again at bath time and sing. One, two, three, four, five. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did
You let it go.
Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? My little finger on
My right.
Let's see. That's it.
Hey Harry in the bath, splashing on your tummy. You've been laughing all day long. What do you find so funny? Splash, 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 splash. What do you find so funny?
And what do you find so funny? Pull funny faces at each other. Move the towel across your face and change your face from sad to happy. From awake to asleep. Mouth closed to mouth open. Silly to sillier.
Okay. Too long. Another funny face. Hands up in the air.
Daddy day. Bye-bye, everyone.
You've been laughing all day long. What do you find so funny? Splash, 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 splash. What do you find so funny? Hey, in the bath, splashing on your tummy.